Hello and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're going to talk about how to get great volume in day 2 hair overnight. You're probably thinking, how am I supposed to get volume in my hair overnight? Overnight is when I'm sleeping. Well, that is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about sleeping and creating volume in your hair at the same time. It's a little thing called pineappling. Yes, pineappling, like a pineapple, pineappling. Mix them together, pineapple, pineappling. This is what I'm talking about. Now, I had never heard of this until recently, but now that I have, I don't do anything else to my hair. Now, this was started by people with naturally curly hair. And so they started doing this to keep the natural curl looking good overnight while they were sleeping and also to create volume. So I saw this and I was like, I wonder. So I tried it out myself and I clearly have pretty straight hair, but it works for me, so I think it'll work for you too. So I have freshly washed hair today. Actually, I have better than freshly washed hair. I have freshly salon styled hair today, which we can all agree you can't get better than that. First day out of a salon is like the best hair day ever. So I'm like super excited about how it came out and I want to keep it good for as long as I can. So tonight I'm going to pineapple and tomorrow morning I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards and then how I style it from there. So you're going to see why they call it pineappling in just 1 second. The basis of pineappling is to get your hair as high up on the top of the head as you can in like a messy bun. So we're just gonna go ahead and use just a normal rubber band. You could also use a scrunchie. I feel like that would work out really well. I just don't happen to have a scrunchie, but I just might go buy one for pineappling. So I'm gonna flip my hair upside down to gather all my hair at the very top of my head. So this is about as high as I can get my hair, okay? My hair is at the top of my head, almost as close to your forehead as you can get it. And then you're just gonna tie your hair up in a messy bun. And if you don't know how to do a messy bun, just click the link. I'll show you how. And I'm just going to tie it really, really loose. I'm not gonna do a tight messy bun, just a really, really loose messy bun. And there we go. I'm pineappling. It was as easy as that. And this is how I'm gonna sleep with my hair. When I'm sleeping, my hair won't really be like getting messed around with a lot. It won't be like rubbing against my pillow. It won't be creating a lot of oils. It'll just be like at the top of my head, kind of staying fresh and clean. So this is how I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna go take a shower, get off all my makeup, and I'm gonna let my hair do its thing overnight, and I will show you tomorrow morning how it looks. Good morning! Here is what pineappling looks like after you sleep on it. It's a little crazy, but it's still pretty much at the top of my head. Let's take it down. So I'm not gonna lie, that doesn't look too bad for sleeping on it all night. I haven't really done anything but take it out of the rubber band, and it looks pretty good. If you could see, I have a lot more volume at the roots right here. Yesterday my hair was pretty flat, but right now you could see like it's kind of lifted, like up off of my face. And also the rest of my hair at the roots kind of feel like they're like this right now. Like they just have the feeling of, oof, so let's just comb through it a little bit. All I would do to this is I might fix a couple pieces in the front, just maybe flat iron a little bit more down, and like right here, maybe like flat iron the ends just a little bit, and then tease my hair, of course. That's pretty much all I would do to this hair because it looks pretty good. And what's cool is that I've noticed with pineappling that I don't have to use dry shampoo on the second day. A lot of times going into day 2 hair, I have to start using dry shampoo, but when I do pineappling, I think because all the hair is up and out of the way, there's not really a lot of oil that's produced by your roots, so it's not necessary to use dry shampoo yet. However, if you're gonna go into day 3, I think that's when I start to use dry shampoo. Pineappling is like my jam right now, so give it a try, see if it works for you. If it doesn't, it doesn't, but if it does, oh my gosh, you are in for a treat. And you know what? The more that I'm just letting my hair like hang down, the more that the front is like taming out. Like I really don't think I'm gonna do anything. I'm just gonna do some teasing right now and let's see how it looks. Again, if you don't know how to tease, there's gonna be a link, so go check it out and learn how to tease. I always tease twice. Oh my gosh, for reals, look at this hair right now. I have done absolutely nothing to it but tease it, and it looks actually really, really good. All I have to do is finish my makeup and I'd be good to go. You saw me. I just took my hair down from the top of my head. I let it kind of rest and combed it out just a little bit, and all I did was tease it. I did nothing else to my hair, and it looks like this. It's pretty crazy. I mean, I've never slept on my hair when it's straight overnight without it looking like crazy wavy and like just have kinks in it everywhere. I love pineappling, and I hope you do too. Now let's spray this thing so it stays. I have been so impressed with pineappling, and it's such an easy thing to do. You throw your hair up when you go to bed anyways, so you might as well just throw it up a little bit higher and get this great volume and great next day hair without even trying. Give it a try the next time you have a freshly washed hair day, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you like this class, please do make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. It's just so pretty though. It's just so pretty. Little pineappling. Could be a new hairstyle, right? Right? No, it can't be. It can't be. I mean, maybe some people's hair could look super cute like this. I have relatively thin hair, so my hair is just gonna look like wild and crazy at all times, but that's okay.